Hello students, I am Dr. Premal Patel and today we are going to discuss about the closer look at method and classes. Chapter 7 from the complete reference of Java. So let us start with overloading method. So first of all we will discuss about the method overloading. As we know in C++, the concept of overloading method, that means a same name but different argument, that is called overloading method. There are two concepts, overloading and overriding. Overloading, that means same name but different argument, and overriding means same name same argument but different class. So let us start with function overloading. So this is the main class demo2 and this is main method. So if I want to call a method, so first of all I need to prepare class test. Then in this class I am preparing void show. Okay, and system dot out dot println and no argument. Okay, so there is no any argument in this method, so I am printing as a message. So how I can call? So I prepare object test1 is equal to new test and then t1 dot show. So this is the simple method. Now let us call Java C demo 2.java and for run the program Java and program name, the print is no argument. Now if I prepare one more function or method which has same name, that means show, but the argument is different, that means suppose I take integer x. Okay, so how can I call that method from here? t1 dot show and some value. So I can write system dot out dot println and argument is x. So the argument is 20. So you can see the name of method is same in same class, same name but different argument. So this fundamental is called as a method overloading. Clear? Okay, now what is the next concept after overloading method? Overloading constructor and using object as a parameter. Okay, you can send the object as a parameter. That means how can we send as an object? Suppose I create one object test t2 is equal to new test and then if I send t2, that means let me remove these all things and integer x. Okay, now suppose t2 dot x is equal to 10, and I send a value as a argument is t2. So this is the object which is I am sending as a argument, and when I send as an argument, so I need to catch some object over here. So I prepare test t3. Okay, and then I print t3 dot x. So let me check whether it is working or not. So 10. See, the t2 dot x is equal to 10. That means the value of x is equal to 10 for the particular object t2, and I am sending it as an object as an argument, and it fetch in t3. So the t3, that means the value which is sent by t2, which is stored here, and I can utilize at this place. Clear? Now the one more thing is I can also return the object. How I return the object? So suppose I put return t3. Okay, so when I put as a return t3, I need to change the return type, then test t4 is equal to the whatever value written by this method, which will be object t4 will store, and I print the message over here is a t4.x. Let me check whether it is working. Yes. So this is the simple concept. t2, which is object as argument, and t3, it is return object. When you put an object as a return, then you have to change your return type from here, and you also need to store that return object in a particular any object, and then you can utilize that object. So this is the concept of object as an argument and return object. Okay, now let me see what is the next concept using object as a parameter and returning object. Okay, so both we have covered. Recursion, that we know the function call itself, that is called recursion. This concept we have already learned in C++ and C also. Okay, understanding the static. What is static? This is very important keyword in Java. So what is the static? That means static method. Okay, let me ask one question, that here we are using static keyword. So why we are using the static? That means we can access this from anywhere. Okay, so now let me do the program for static keyword. Suppose this is the class test, t1 is the object now, and static method. Suppose I create a method show. Okay, and void show. Okay, and then I print system dot out dot print, and this is show method. Okay, and I can call using the object. Okay, but if I don't want to prepare any object, and if I want to call using class test dot show, so in this condition the method must be static. So let me check whether it is working. This is show method. So see here, the method is static method, show method is, so you can directly access using a class name without any object in Java. One more thing is here, static and let me check whether it is working or not. Static method. Yes, it is working. See, this is the static method, this is show method. So what happened? This call first without calling. So static, a keyword, that means that method in any class which will call automatically without any object or without any class. So that is static method, and this is particular static void show method. So if method is static, that means you can call using class, and only static keyword is accessible without any class or object. Clear? Okay.